Okay, so the deal is you have to look at the relationship between the participle and the main verb. But you have to know what is your participle and what is your main verb before you can pick which one in the sentence right here. Okay, so let's do our participles in purple, right? And our main verbs in yellow. Okay? So in this first sentence, what is my participle? Precata. And what kind of participle is it? PPP. And what's my main verb? Petit. And it is present, right?
Yes.
Okay, so PPP happens before the action of the main verb. Okay, and the main verb's happening now. So if it happens before, or think about how you translate a PPP, what can you automatically delete from that? So you can take off this one, right? Because it's ing, so it wouldn't be that one, right? It wouldn't be about to because
it has no UR.
Correct. So your answer is going to be
The last one,
C. Having begged. Good.
If we look at the chart on the board, we see having been loved. And that's
Shut up.
Okay, let's look at number 2. What's my participle in number 2?
the participle is
Laudatus. What's my main verb?
Where? Oh,
Read it. Okay, read it is perfect, right?
Oh, shut.
Okay, and laudatus is a PPP.
For sure.
Okay, so
It would not be praising.
it would not be praising because that's active, right?
It's active.
Okay, so how are you going to tell between was being praised and had been praised?
The verb and the main perfect noun.
Yeah, you look at the relationship between the participle and the noun. So the having been praised has to happen before he returned home.
Yes.
So was being praised that happened before he returned home? No. So my answer is going to be C. Okay, number 3. My participle is what? Auditorus, and it's an FAP, right? And then metuebat, you're right, is my main verb, and that's imperfect, right?
So, obviously, if we look at the chart on the board, it's about to be or fixing to be, and the only choice up there is B.
Is B, good, because it's about to, right? Okay, number 4, what did you highlight? Regesura, which is a FAP,
And why is that? It's because
and with it is it's the main verb and it's perfect, right?
So if we,
Okay.
Similar to the last one, if you look up on the board, the only answer with about to is A.
The only one with about to is A. Good. Okay, and this next one, what do I need to highlight? What's my participle?
Oh wait, did I get this?
Yeah, cunctantes, and then my main verb is ad horta s, and since this has an nt in it,
It's gonna be PAP.
okay, but look, your main verb is perfect. Okay, so
Why did I do that? Okay, I did not.
so look, do you see the difference between? It's not going to be have been because that would be
That's P.
PPP, right? So it's going to be, and it can't be R because it's not happening at the same time as something.
Yeah, that doesn't even make sense. I like that sentence I read out. It's like weird. It's like that doesn't make.
So your answer is going to be B. Yeah.
B by process of elimination.
It's like not even grammatical.
Okay, here we go. Number 6. What's my participle? Monotus, and it's a PPP, right?
And then it's efficere for the verb.
Nope, your verb is debit. Efficere is an infinitive, right?
Sorry,
Infinitives
I
can't
messed
be
up.
used like that.
Okay, so PPP is going to be, you're looking for something that's like having been, right?
Thanks for looking.
Yep.
So,
So it's P.
Had been or has been?
wait.
Well, and it has to go with father. So it's a father.
Yeah, see.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, let's see. Or no, so.
100% it's C.
Can you see your death?
Well, it can't be C because the warn doesn't go with the gods,
Good thing I got you on that one. It's B.
right?
It's by the gods. So.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's by the gods. So your answer has to be B.
B. Okay, let's get this right. It's B, guys. All right, number 7. I got this one.
The B will be the right.
Hey.
Okay, here we go. We are no
We're live.
Oh, Gowden.
Wisuri, and then Gowden's my main verb. You're right. Okay, Wisuri is a
FFP.
FAP, and this is present, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
So C.
B.
It's not
citizens.
B. It's not have seen.
Yeah,
It's not B.
It's either
The citizens who would see
C.
the marvelous spectacle.
Well,
I think it's C.
if I have to see this right.
Yeah, because if it was would see, then your main verb would be in the past.
Yes.
Yeah.
Still in the present.
Okay, here we go. Number 8. Swadenti is your
Didn't feel like it did.
participle and parent your main verb, right?
In T.
And it means it's a PAP, right? Which is happening at the same time.
Obeys his father.
Simultaneous.
So your answer is
So it's A.
no, because that's was.
C.
It's C. Yeah, because it
Oh,
is.
I didn't see the word. I'm sorry.
Check the verbs, fellas.
Parrot obeys. It's present tense.
I'm gonna start T, guys.
Okay, number 9. This is kind of tricky because locutus is deponent, right?
Yeah.
So instead of having been, it's going to be having. So your answer would be
B. Have it. B.
yeah, it's B.
And then play T.
Okay, so your participle is wesos, right? And it's a PPP.
We'll call it.
And your main verb is wokawit, and it's perfect, right?
It is perfect.
So which one would you pick?
Oh, I accidentally put A.
A is right.
Well, just kidding. Trick dog again.
Had been.
Yep.
I know you're doing great.
Because PPP is a translated.